back with another video. And in today's video basically we are going to show you some DIY masks, and all of the ingredients will be easily available in your kitchen. And also all of these masks are tried and tested, like we use them in our day-to-day life. In this video we have tried to accommodate face masks for different skin types, like if you have acne, if your skin is oily, for normal to dry skin. We have covered eye bags, and we have
Also
included lip scrubs as well. So make sure you watch the complete video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video.
Okay, so the first face mask that we're going to share with you is coffee scrub. So the ingredients we need for the scrub is of course coffee, granulated sugar with aloe vera.
And make sure just sugar chunks so as it is right, because that is what makes it a good scrub. And make sure that you do not scrub it too hard, because coffee will
on your skin.
Yes. Also for those who have acne, we suggest you to avoid this face mask completely. And if you use such scrubs, so you can use. And for those who have normal to oily skin, you can use this once
in a week.
Once or twice
in a week.
Those who have normal to oily skin, you can use this once in a week or twice a week. So we use aloe vera to balance the coffee and sugar, because aloe vera helps you in lightening and brightening your skin naturally.
Yes.
Also we use aloe vera on a daily basis as a moisturizer, because it's a very good.
Yeah, it moisturizes your skin like really well.
Yes. And also we have used fresh aloe vera gel, because we have a plant, and you can go for the market one. We sometimes use the Patanjali.
So coffee, granulated sugar, and aloe vera gel are all the ingredients that we need for this mask. Firstly, we'll start off with adding some coffee in a separate bowl. Then we'll add some sugar. And to give it a good consistency, we'll add aloe vera gel. Now ours seems to be really watery because it is fresh and we have grinded it in a mixer. You can use the aloe vera gel, the market one obviously. Give it a good mix. And make sure that the sugar granules stay in place, because that's what makes it a good scrub. Put it on your skin with bare hands for like 10 to 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. And that's all.
Next face mask that we're going to talk about is besan, curd, aloe vera and lemon face mask. So you can definitely skip the lemon if you feel irritated with lemon juice, and you can opt for lemon powder, which is easily available in the market, and it is really mild in comparison to the lemon juice that we use. So yes, and for the besan,
बेसन आपको हेल्प करता है। अगर आपकी एक्ने है स्किन पे बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आपको एक्ने ट्रीट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है। साथ ही अगर आपको सनबर्न है या फिर स्किन में कुछ इरिटेशन हो रही है, तो उसे भी सूट करता है।
यस। एंड कर्ड जो है, इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द मोस्ट इनएक्सपेंसिव एंड इफेक्टिव सोल्यूशन फॉर ट्रीटिंग पिंपल्स एंड एक्नेज, and it has anti-acne properties. It has zinc elements which help in controlling your acne problems. So, and this is a very mild face mask. You can use this twice a week, and
this is basically for all the skin types.
Yes, and this is basically for cleansing and brightening your skin.
So besan, curd, aloe vera gel and lemon juice are all the ingredients that we need to use for this face mask. Firstly, starting off with, you will have to add besan into a separate bowl. Then add some curd. Add aloe vera gel to the mixture. And lastly, add lemon juice with lemon pulp and give it a good mix. You can take the quantity of besan, curd and aloe vera according to your preference. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water.
that we're going to talk about includes besan, turmeric and honey. ये तीनों ingredients साथ में बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful होते हैं अगर आपको एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम है तो उसे ट्रीट करने में. बेसन की प्रॉपर्टीज़ हम पहले बता चुके हैं कि वो एक्ने को ट्रीट करने में हेल्प करता है क्योंकि उसमें जिंक एलिमेंट्स भी होते हैं.
Yes, and for turmeric, it helps in reducing acne and scars, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which calms your skin if you have any irritation or any inflamed skin or any scars. It clears your skin out from
Acne
any
breakouts,
yes,
yes.
any acne breakouts. And honey is mainly kept to balance the whole mask. It helps in reducing bacteria of your skin, which makes it a very good product for
Treating acne.
acne. Yes.
Yes. So,
Overall, honey balances the whole mask. Yes. And also you can use this face mask once in a week, and this is a very good way to treat your acne breakout.
Turmeric, besan, and honey are all the ingredients that you need to use for this face mask. Now, firstly, starting off with, take some besan into a bowl. You can take any quantity according to your preference. Then add a pinch of turmeric into it, just a little bit. Then add honey according to the quantity of your besan. And now give it a good mix. Don't worry if it sticks because it's honey, but it will eventually give you a good paste. And keep mixing it until it forms a very thick paste. And if you do not want a thick paste, you can add aloe vera gel, only a little bit, but you can add aloe vera gel to it. Now also you need to apply this for 10 to 15 minutes and you can wash this off with lukewarm water, and thus you're good to go.
So the fourth face mask that we're going to talk about includes aloe vera, turmeric and green tea.
Yes, and we have just already discussed the properties of aloe vera and turmeric. I'll quickly tell you the properties of green tea. It helps in tightening your skin pores, and also it reduces the oil on your skin, which makes it an amazing product for the people who have oily skin. And also acne वाले भी इसको use कर सकते हैं. You do not have to apply it like a face mask because it has a very watery consistency due to green tea. You just have to take a cotton and dip it in the water in the mixture, and you have to dab it on your skin for like 5 minutes. Gently dab it on your skin, don't be harsh,
on your
and
skin.
keep it for another 5 minutes and wash it off with water. You can use this thrice in a week. It doesn't cause any harm because it has green tea, which helps your cleaning your pores. It deep cleanses your skin.
So green tea, aloe vera gel and turmeric are all the ingredients that you need to use for this mask. Firstly, you have to add some green tea into a bowl. Then add some aloe vera gel. Lastly, add a pinch of turmeric. And give it a good mix. Now don't worry, you do not have to apply it as a mask. You can use a cotton and dab it on your skin gently. You can dab it for like 5 minutes and yes, you're good to go.
So the first lip scrub that we're going to talk about includes powdered coffee with sugar. पहले कॉफ़ी को आप पानी एलोवेरा के साथ मिक्स करके एक पेस्ट बनाना है और उसमें शुगर ऐड करनी है. उसके बाद आपको जेंटली उसे 5 मिनट तक सर्कुलर मोशन में मसाज करना है. उसके बाद आप उसे ल्यूकवार्म वाटर से वॉश कर सकते हैं.
Yes, and as you've already mentioned, ki coffee, it helps in exfoliating your skin and it reduces pigmentation. Also, it helps in healing cracked or dry lips. And yes, and If you can also add olive oil and honey to coffee for a better lip scrub. And as you've already told you the properties of coffee and honey, talking about olive oil, it helps in moisturizing your lips very well. It reduces pigmentation and
exfoliates your lips very well.
So here I've taken some coffee mixed with aloe vera gel and now I'm adding sugar to it, giving it a good mix. And yeah, that's it. So coffee, honey and olive oil are all the ingredients that we need for this lip scrub. Firstly, add some coffee. Then add honey according to the quantity of the coffee. And quickly add your olive oil because you do not want your coffee and honey to stick together. And that's it. Give it a good mix. This is the consistency that we need. Make sure you have granules in your scrub. And that's it. You're good to go.
So the last thing that we want to discuss about is mask, eye mask for your eye bags and puffiness, to reduce the puffiness under your eyes. And we're going to use green tea for this, coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and some honey, and lemon is optional. You can add if you want or you can skip it. So first of all, talking about coconut oil, it moisturizes your under eyes, it reduces fine lines, and also it is antibacterial. For green tea, I prefer using green tea as well as the green tea leaves. You can see the procedure in the video, in the clip that we're going to share. And it tightens your skin. It is an antioxidant, it has antioxidant properties, so it's really good for treating eye bags. And we've already told you the properties of honey. And lemon juice is like totally option. If you want to use it, you can use it, or otherwise you can skip it. And aloe vera again helps in moisturizing.
Here I have taken a wet tissue. You can use any face tissue, and I have folded it in such a way so that I can cut a complete circle. And there you go, you get a complete eye mask for yourself. You can cut this into two halves and you're good to go. So now for the mixture, we have green tea, aloe vera gel, honey, and also we'll be needing some coconut oil. Firstly, we'll add some green tea into a bowl. And then we'll take out all the green tea leaves and pour it into the green tea. Now we'll be adding some aloe vera gel to the green tea. Now we'll add some honey. Coconut oil. And we'll be giving it a good mix. Lastly, putting your cotton pads or your tissue eye masks into the batter. Now you just have to refrigerate for 1 hour and then you're good to go. You can place this under your eye for like 1 hour, half an hour, or any amount of time that you want, and you're good to go.
That's all for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed watching it.
And if you did, then don't forget to like, share and comment, and
And
also
also
subscribe to our channel below. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon ताकि जब हम अगली बार कोई वीडियो पोस्ट करें तो आपको उसकी अपडेट मिल जाए.
And please tell us your review. What do you think about this video, and what do you want to see next on our channel? Please comment down below.
Yes. So that's all.
Bye.